welcome everyone to the fourth and last quarterfinal of Quizzing with Comedians Movies Edition. I will call all the participants one by one. So whenever I take your name, just start your video. I'll call them alphabetically. That's what I've been doing the whole day. The first contestant is someone. Oh, in fact, today's this quarterfinal I should call like people I'm like fan of. This is that kind of a quarterfinal. So my first guest, first contestant, first participant is someone that I've been a huge fan of. I think most of you are. He's a legend in his own right, and I mean I don't know what else to say about him, so I might just call him on stage. Call him here, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Gajraj sir, Gajraj Rao. We lovingly call Gajraj sir. वाह 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 सर क्या लग रहे हैं आप एकदम beautiful. I'm going to call the second contestant, another person that I'm a fan of. He's not just a great comedian but also someone who created my favorite web series of all time, Better Life Foundation, and also my favorite web series character of all time, Anirban from Better Life Foundation, also done by my favorite actor of all time, me. Give it up for my favorite Naveen Richard.
Hello. Hey guys.
Hi, Naveen. Hi. Now I'm going to call the third contestant, who is again, like I said, I'm a fan of all four people on this last quarterfinal of the day. She's one of my most favorite actors and one of my most favorite co-stars, and of course, most of your most favorite face that you've seen in Indian web series and otherwise digital media. Give it up for Niti Singh.
Okay, I did something wrong.
No, it's fine. This is nice. This is like a nice Lucknow reunion, Nidhi.
Yeah.
And next up is of course someone who's every video he ever creates, I share. That I'm that big a fan of, not just him but his best friend Vicky Malhotra. But he's not coming. My other friend Varun Thakur is coming. So let me call upon one of India's funniest people online.
I didn't even wait for you to call me. I'm here. What's up, man? Hello. Hi, Nidhi. Hi, Naveen. Hi, Gajraj sir. Sir.
Hello.
Big fan. I'm very excited to actually do this because I'm ready to see you.
फैन हूँ, रिचर्ड का ही फैन हूँ, निधि का ही फैन हूँ, और कुमार जी के लिए तो मैं आया हूँ यहाँ पर.
हाँ. KV is the magnet.
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, for those who are tuning in for the first time, this is the fourth quarterfinal. We've already had 3 quarterfinals so far. Every quarterfinal was a great game, but there was a pattern. Like for every quarterfinal, since there are 2 people who will qualify, there was a fight for the second place in every quarterfinal, which went till like 1-2 points. Okay, but we've had 6 semi-finalists already, and 2 from this round will get selected and will qualify. Okay, chalo, we can start. Kabhi kisi ko koi bhi doubt ho?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah,
let's do it.
Varun is so competitive. I'm getting anxious.
You should see him playing Antakshari. He's the most best Antakshari player.
सर बोलिए ना.
वरुण, मुझे सबसे अच्छा तो अभी पता क्या लग रहा है कि मैं पूरा वो पुष्पावली में मैंने रिचर्ड्स को जैसा देखा ना, यहाँ पे उसको स्माइल करते हुए देख के इतना प्लेजेंट लग रहा है कि ऐसा गुस्से वाला नहीं है ये.
कुछ भी नहीं है.
मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ.
हिंदी वो सेम ही है. हिंदी वो उधर है, वो सेम इधर है.
0.5 to Gajraj sir for Pushpawali reference. Where Naveen's character is the second best character in the show, Pankaj. The first character all of us know is Guruji. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Self-promotion.
Self-promotion, never miss a chance.
Never miss a chance.
Okay, pehla question to
Guys,
Gajraj
just
sir.
stays between us.
Yes. Not going.
All right. Good luck, everybody. Good luck.
Good luck, everyone. Let's
So
do this.
competitive.
I'm saying good luck.
He's just so like.
क्वेश्चन है क्या ये?
Yes sir, मैं explain करता हूँ.
तुम्हारी क्वेश्चन है क्या?
Yes sir. Question number 1 है. थोड़ा लंबा है, मैं explain करता हूँ. So ये question थोड़ा text heavy है, but I will explain. So if opening scene of this movie, there's a song from Boris Gardiner called "Every Nigger Is a Star" that is playing. Okay, this song is featured on a Kendrick Lamar album. So production when they were shooting it, production was originally unable to find a suitable track for the scene once edited. So Jenkins is the director of the movie. Okay, he played the Kendrick version over the top of the scene without telling anyone where the music was from, as the rights were not confirmed for the score. After deciding that it worked, they then found the original and made it, in Jenkins' word, a little bit chopped and screwed. It planted a flag, और अभी main hint यहाँ से आ रहा है, that this was a very black film from a very black perspective, and I couldn't think of another song that state that more clearly than that track. What Academy Award winning film are we talking about? So let me मैं एक बार सारे hints revise कर देता हूँ. नीचे से ऊपर जाते हैं. This is an Oscar winning film. That's the first thing. So when I say Oscar winning film, I mean best film Oscar, not like best costume design or best sound design. Best film Oscar. So it is that important. Second big hint is it's a very black film, or from a very black perspective. And matlab, the cast is almost entirely black. Very black dominant film. Okay. And then timeline और कब का है वगैरह का थोड़ा आइडिया शुरू से आएगा. That the movie starts opening scene में basically क्या हुआ कि एक गाना बजाना था, but उनके पास कोई राइट था नहीं, तो उन्होंने Every Nigger is Star एक गाना है केंड्रिक लमार का, वो चला दिया, एंड डायरेक्टर ने किसी को बताया भी नहीं कि ये गाना कहाँ का है, क्या है.
लेमार कौन से इरा का ये बताइए.
थोड़ा रीसेंट है सर.
रीसेंट
बोल सकता हूँ. हाँ, थोड़ा रीसेंट है कंपैरेटिवली.
ओके. सो
और यस सर.
यार ये वाली होगी फिर, ये ब्लैक जो था 12 years slave. नहीं
अच्छा गेस, बट नॉट 12 years slave. Going to Naveen. Naveen. Yeah. Moonlight is correct. 10 points to Naveen.
Oh wow.
Black film which won an Oscar recently. Moonlight won Best Picture.
देखा ही नहीं है तो इसको.
Okay, next question direct to Nidhi. Nidhi, your question is this. Who is the actor? So basically एक actor के पूरी filmography और television में कब कहाँ है सारा लिखा हुआ है sheet पे. I have blacked out the one which is most obvious, but there are enough hints otherwise. So 2007 there is a movie which I blacked out, but he won Filmfare Critics Award for Best Actor for that 2007 movie. He was also nominated for Filmfare Award for Best Actor. He was also nominated for Filmfare Award for Best Male Debut. Then he did 2-3 more movies. In television, he has done some things, Jhalak Dikhla Ja 5 and all that. So take your time, go through this filmography. Tell me which actor are we talking about?
So come on. Oh, what is? I forget his name. Oh my god.
Don't worry, take your time. Take 10, 15 seconds, 20 seconds.
I know who it is. I don't remember his name. Darshan. Okay, pass.
Passing to Thakur.
Shit.
Shit.
Nidhi, take 15 seconds more.
No, Nidhi has passed. Nidhi has
Yeah,
passed.
Darshan Jariwala.
Not Darshan Jariwala.
No, I only said it because Nidhi said Darshan, so I'm like, okay.
Going to Gajraj sir now.
Pass.
Okay, going to Naveen Rishak.
Okay, I kind of know this one because Bam Bam Bole, I know that song. Okay.
Yeah.
You know, because it goes Bam Bam Bole, Masti
Wow, Naveen, I'm very impressed.
Zyada ho gaya. Anyway, Jhalak Dikhla Ja 5. That's the real clue here, if you really think about it. Jhalak Dikhla Ja. I haven't seen any of the movies, but Jhalak Dikhla Ja.
That's the real clue because this actor went from Best Debut and Best Actor Award to Jhalak Dikhla Ja contestant.
I'm giving 0.5 to Thakur for social commentary. Social commentary.
I actually don't know the answer. I just wanted to spike that joke so you could spike. Anyway, I don't know. Pass, man.
Okay, I'll go one more round and start with Nidhi. So this question is now 5 points. Okay, I'll give a hint and we'll go back again. When he did, the director of the 2007 movie, which I have जो मैंने यहाँ छुपा दिया है. The director of 2007 movie is Amir Khan.
I know who you're talking about. I don't
Okay,
remember his
okay,
name.
okay.
But मैं क्या करूँगी? I can't remember the name.
Yes.
I know the movie also.
Yes. Yes.
The song is in my head. I feel like him right now. All that
I'll
talent
give-
and I cannot express myself.
Nidhi, you almost got it. You're right there. Like you
Yeah, no?
almost got it. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Nidhi, do you have a guess?
Dude, I mean, what do I say? I know the guy. I know his face.
Okay, are you passing? Passing to
Yeah.
Thakur?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that Darshil Safari?
It is Darshil
Darshil.
Safari. 5 point to Thakur. It is Darshil Safari. Darshil Safari
It's so bad.
came in 2007. Tare Zameen Par. He won Filmfare Critics Award for Best Actor.
Yeah.
Also won. Also
Yeah,
nominated for Filmfare Award, and then made a movie called Bam Bam Bole. By the way, this is how he looks now on the right. Darshil
Dude,
Safari.
he's come on Jhalak Dikhla Ja now.
Yeah,
Wow,
Jhalak Dikhla Ja.
dude.
And Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma also. I
Yeah,
read.
as himself. Yeah. Okay, 5 points to Thakur, and next direct will be to Gujarat sir. Okay, sir ये थोड़ा again लंबा है Moonlight Types, but काफी hints है, ठीक है? So मैं
हॉलीवुड से है क्या?
Yes sir, Hollywood है, but बहुत
यार
famous Hollywood से.
तो
famous बहुत famous film है, बहुत famous.
मतलब एक तो इतना बड़ा देख के ही वही दिल बैठ जा रहा है. नहीं. हाँ बताओ क्या है अभी X.
Ranju sir is getting annoyed.
It's algebra. It's algebra.
I love it.
X was the best thing that ever happened to autism. ठीक है? According to a certain psychiatrist. उसके हिसाब से ये movie is the best thing that has happened to autism. No gigantic public education or PR effort could have produced the sensational awareness that X brought to the national and international radar scene. So, जितना भी public education or PR effort कर लो, nothing matches the effect that this movie had in the field of autism. Okay. Treffert himself, this doctor, is an expert on autism and Savant syndrome. Okay, he worked on this movie as a script consultant, which might explain his view on the film, which has now become very divisive. Some people say that it had a very positive impact on autism. Some people say not really. Okay, now he is an Oscar-winning person. Barry Morrow had the idea for X when he started writing this movie. He had barely heard of autism and like these syndromes वगैरह, because and यहाँ पे main hint आ रहा है. He said that autism is never even a part of my original screenplay which I wrote. Okay, looking back, X was never a story about autism. It was a tale of two estranged brothers, their journey, and then their fragile redemption. तो मेन हिंट ये है कि ऑटिज्म से एसोसिएटेड मूवी है, और राइटर ने बोला ऑटिज्म का तो पता नहीं. मैंने जब मूवी लिखा था तो मैंने तो सिर्फ ये लिखा था कि दो भाई जो बहुत दिनों से मिले नहीं है वो एक साथ जर्नी करते हैं और बहुत उनके लाइफ में चेंज होता है. कौन सी मूवी की बात कर रहे हैं?
ये टॉम क्रूज और डस्टिन हॉफमैन वाला रेन मैन.
Yes.
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. मैंने बोला कि सर
सुपर
थोड़ा ऐसे पहले ही हार मत मानिए बहुत. Rain Man is correct. Dustin Hoffman won an Oscar for this movie, and yeah, perfect. 10 points to Gujarat sir. Next, direct to Naveen Richard. Okay, this is a fun question. Naveen, tell me which movie are we talking about? Okay, everybody has a secret. Duke wants Olivia, who likes Sebastian, who is really Viola, whose brother is dating Monique, so she hates Olivia. Who is with Duke to make Sebastian jealous? Who is really Viola, who is crushing on Duke, who thinks she is a guy? Okay. So if you read carefully, you will realize a certain aspect of this entire thing, and from there, this answer will come. I feel.
ब्रो, प्रियदर्शन ने हॉलीवुड मूवी कब बनाई?
0.5 to Thakur.
B equals B. A equals B. B does not equal C. C equals D. Man, Duke, this is some freaking 1950s movie award, dude. I don't know, man. I'm gonna pass.
Okay, passing to Nidhi.
I mean, I know where the text is from, but I don't know if the movie is called the same thing. Midsummer's Night's Dream.
Very good track. Very, very good track. It is inspired from a Shakespeare work. Going to Thakur now.
And then
See, I should watch more movies and read less Shakespeare.
Nah, nothing's coming to my head.
Okay. You want to pass?
Yeah.
Passing to Gujarat, sir.
Comedy of Errors.
Nahin, again,
Nahin,
good track.
okay.
So this is inspired from 12th Night, I think. Okay, I'll give a hint and go back again. Naveen, this is the hint. Okay, hint is very interesting. Not very helpful to Naveen, I guess, but very helpful to the other three. The hint is Dil Bole Hadippa. Okay, that's the hint.
Oh yeah.
Okay, hint is Dil Bole Hadippa. Naveen, for your knowledge, Dil Bole Hadippa is a Bollywood movie starring Rani Mukherjee and Shahid Kapoor.
is it Othello?
Not Othello.
Shit,
Going
it's
to
the other one.
Nidhi.
Then. Crap.
No. Going to Nidhi.
Ah, crap. I know it.
Blank.
Okay, passing to Thakur.
Dude, you won't believe I wanted to say this name earlier.
Macha,
I
I
thought it
know.
would be wrong. Now the movie's name is She's the Man.
She's the Man is correct. And,
Yes.
5 points. Not,
Dude, I was going to say
10.
this earlier, but I didn't.
Jab I
So
gave
तू
a
Shakespeare ऐसा बोलने लग गया. I got very confused. I said नहीं ये.
No, this this story जो है, it comes from I think 12th Night.
Correct.
Okay. Sorry. This is a Hollywood movie. Sorry, sir.
और यार हल
But you got the last one.
सर आपने
एक्सेप्शनल उसमें
आपने
अच्छा,
निकाला रेन मैन सर. अब ऐसे हाँ, बट मिक्स है. थोड़ा हॉलीवुड आएगा, थोड़ा बॉलीवुड आएगा.
What
Okay.
does it say? I can't read.
Okay, I will read it out for you. So you have to identify the movie, and this is the soundtrack of the movie. Okay.
वो तो
First song
बिल्कुल
says-
साउंड ट्रैक तो मैं बिल्कुल सवाल ही नहीं होता है. फिर भी बताओ.
फिर भी ट्राई करते हैं. हाँ.
हाँ.
Hooked on a Feeling by Blue Suede. Go All the Way, Raspberries. Spirit in the Sky, Norman Greenbaum. Moonish Daydream, David Bowie. Fooled Around and Fell in Love, Elvin Bishop. I'm Not in Love, 10cc. I Want You Back, Jackson 5. Come and Get Your Love, Redbone. Cherry Bomb, The Runaways. Escape, the Pina Colada song by Rupert Holmes. Ooh Oh Child by Five Fair Steps. Ain't No Mountain High Enough by Marvin Gaye and Tammy Terrelli. So ये साउंड ट्रैक है. तो इस मूवी में गाने बेसिकली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. प्लॉट में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट प्ले करता है ये वाला साउंड ट्रैक फॉर सम रीजन. सो कौन सी मूवी की बात कर रहे हैं?
ये ओके. पर ये आसपास की मूवी है या 20-25 साल पहले की है?
आसपास लास्ट 10-15 साल की है.
अच्छा. लाला लैंड.
नहीं, नॉट ला ला लैंड.
Okay.
नवीन.
Shit. Even I thought La La Land.
Well, I happen to have this playlist from the movie.
Nice.
So I'm going to say it's Guardians of the Galaxy.
That is correct. Full 10
Nice.
to Naveen.
तो गार्जियन ऑफ द गैलेक्सी म्यूजिकल था क्या?
नहीं सर, उसमें उसके पास एक कैसेट, वो अर्थ से जब स्पेस में जाता है तो उसके पास एक कैसेट होता है जो उसके आई थिंक पापा या किसी ने बनाया होता है उसके लिए.
ये वो
उसकी मम्मी
ग्रूट
ने
वाला
बनाया
फिल्म है
होता
ना? ग्रूट
हाँ,
Groot.
वाला.
Correct.
ग्रूट वाला.
अब बोलो.
तो पूरे
देखा
time-
कितनी बार ये?
हाँ, पूरे टाइम ये वो वॉकमैन पे लगा के गाना सुनता रहता है पूरी फिल्म में.
हाँ.
और ये सब गाने मोस्टली आते हैं. कम एंड गेट योर लव, कम एंड गेट योर लव, ऐसे करके. Okay, next question is Bollywood, but direct to Nidhi because Naveen got the last answer. Oh, interesting question. Two Hindi movies. Talk of Priyadarshan.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go through the question one by one. Two Hindi movies directed by Priyadarshan released simultaneously. मतलब एक साथ same date. Two movies released in November 2005. Okay, one of them was Garam Masala. ठीक है. The other movie had Salman Khan in the lead role. And that movie was a remake of Priyadarshan's own 1986 Malayalam film Thallavattam, which itself drew inspiration from the novel One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, which is the other film. So I will just explain what all is there. Priyadarshan, November 2005, released two movies. One, Garam Masala. Second, this one. This movie ka biggest hint is Salman Khan is the lead actor. of this movie. And this is a remake of one old Priyadarshan movie. Like most Priyadarshan movies are remakes of his own old movies. But the other clue is that it is inspired from One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, which of course is also a famous Hollywood adaptation of Jack Nicholson and all that. So which movie are we talking about with Salman in the lead, directed by
I
Priyadarshan?
don't think I have watched this movie. Unless I have watched it and I do not know that Priyadarshan is the director of this movie. 2005. 2005, I was still in school. So no, I just at that time this movie came out 2005. It's Salman Khan. Is it Tere Naam?
Not Tere Naam, good guess.
Okay.
Going to Thakur now. Thakur.
Okay, so this is, I'm hoping it's right. Is it that movie with Kareena Kapoor, Kyunki?
Absolutely correct. It is with
Oh.
Kareena Kapoor.
Yes!
I don't even know there's a
क्योंकि
movie like
इतना
that.
प्यार
क्योंकि
तुमसे
इतना
करते हम क्या जानोगे
Yeah, Kyunki it's fate.
So
This
what
is
happens to the person who gets 0 in this quiz?
nothing.
I
Scores
just
don't matter.
want to know that.
Scores don't matter. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, this is Gajraj sir's question and it is a Bollywood question. So Gajraj sir मुझे नहीं डांट सकते. आपका director. Which 2006 movie was based on a 1988 newspaper article read by Suraj Badjatia's father about a man who had married his burnt bride-to-be on her hospital bed with the nurses as the delighted baratis. So 1988 में सूरज बड़जात्या के पिताजी ने एक अखबार में आर्टिकल पढ़ा जिसमें लिखा था कि एक आदमी एक बर्न्ड, दैट्स अ बिग क्लू, बर्न्ड bride-to-be से हॉस्पिटल बेड में शादी कर रहा है और nurses baratis. So this story gets shared with Suraj. I mean, presumably a lot of times. And Suraj Badjatia made a movie out of this small newspaper article in 2006. 2006 movie by Suraj Badjatia. Which movie are we talking about?
Mind blowing. ये कौन सा फिल्म था? ये तो सूरज बड़जात्या का जोन ही नहीं है तो.
0.5 to Gajraj sir.
I remember the bloody song. There's a
Yeah.
picture
Didi, I can almost see you know the answer.
Yeah,
Like you
yeah. But I don't know the film's name. I can see her
Okay.
standing in the balcony and all that. Oh God, Nidhi, learn the name of the movie. I need to stop reading books, really.
yeah.
I feel so ashamed of myself right now.
हीरो कौन था?
Sir,
मैं
वो
बता
नहीं
दूं?
होता सब.
नहीं सर बताएंगे ना, सर के ऊपर है.
हाँ, नहीं अभी नहीं होता
अभी नहीं
सब.
बताना. Okay.
You think all Suraj Badjatia movies are made through newspaper articles? Like, like one day he read about a Pomeranian. Pomeranian. He's like, अरे यार, एक family story बनाता है जिसमें एक कुत्ता umpiring करता है.
And the titles are so long. You know, how do you memorize everything?
Okay, I'm giving 0.5 to Thakur for Pomeranian reference. 1 point to Nidhi for summarizing Suraj Badjatia's career.
मेरी लाज रखने के लिए दिया है तूने.
ये,
0 marks मिले निधि को.
ये ब्लैक बक वाला फिल्म है क्या ये?
There has never been a better description of Hum Saath Saath Hum.
0.5 to Gajraj sir. No one.
The film about the black bug shooting that affected a family.
No one ever has the
Savage.
one line movie plot.
Savage.
is वो black box वाली movie. नहीं सर, this is not
Okay,
a black box.
मेरे 5 पॉइंट्स हो गए, मैं पास करता हूँ.
Passing
यार
to
मैं भी
Naveen.
should
Naveen?
read more jokes also. Shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the opposite of Dur, which is pass.
यार तुम लोग funny हो सबको marks मिलते जा रहे हैं. मैं
अरे वो
एकदम
तो-
नीचे से first आ रही हूँ.
Naveen Richard using his skills. Okay, Nidhi, think of the movie that is right there, tip of your tongue. Which movie is?
Yeah, I can see the actress. I can see the overacting. I can see the actor also. I can see it.
By the way, this also grossed 100 crores. Huh? This movie also
Yeah,
grossed 100
yeah,
crores.
yeah.
Yeah.
Just to put it into perspective.
Hit movie.
Something like what, that Ram Ratan Dhan Payo type of title. I can't remember the bloody title. Oh God. Pass, yeah. Just
Okay.
can I just end the Zoom call?
Passing to Thakur.
The movie is Viva.
Viva is correct.
Viva!
Yeah.
10 points to Thakur. This is Viva. Suraj
I know my
Barjatya.
Barjatya also.
Yeah!
तो इसमें
Never thought Varun would know all these things. Yeah.
हाँ सर.
ठाकुर इसके प्रीमियर का क्या किस्सा है?
नहीं इसका नहीं है सर. ये पिक्चर मैंने देखी भी नहीं.
चलिए, our next question again to Gujarat sir because Thakur got it. What is blanked out here? Okay. तो
हॉलीवुड है फिर से.
हाँ सर, हॉलीवुड है बट इजी हॉलीवुड है. मैं अभी से बता दे रहा हूँ. तो एक पर्टिकुलर लिस्ट ऑफ मूवीज है और उनमें कुछ कनेक्शन है बट मैंने कुछ एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ड मैंने ब्लैक आउट कर दिया है. अपने को बताना है वो वर्ड कौन सा है. सो डैश इन 1976, डैश 2 1979.
एक मिनट, ये पहला सबसे दिसंबर 3 क्या है? ये नहीं दिख रहा मुझे.
अच्छा, वो रिलीज डेट है, यूएस में रिलीज डेट है.
okay.
दिसंबर 3 1976 में डैश रिलीज हुआ. 1979 में डैश 2 रिलीज हुआ. 1982 में डैश 3 रिलीज हुआ. 1985 डैश 4. 1990 डैश 5. 2006 again something that I blanked out which is very like जो word ऊपर blank है वही है. फिर 2015 यानी 5 साल पहले क्रीड रिलीज हुआ. 2018 क्रीड 2 रिलीज हुआ. ये सारी मूवीज आर पार्ट ऑफ द सेम लिस्ट. what is the word that I blanked out?
ओके. सबको पता है ना ये? रिचर्ड्स को भी पता है ये. और रिचर्ड ने वैसे वाला एक्सप्रेशन ले लिया कि उसके फेस से कोई क्लू नहीं मिलना चाहिए मुझे. ऐसा करके. ये स्टार वॉर्स.
नहीं, not Star Wars. Naveen,
you're gonna beat your head when you find out. It's Rocky.
Rocky is correct. 10 points. 10 points to Naveen.
Yes,
To Gryffindor.
10 points to Naveen. Rocky came in 76. Rocky 2 in 79. Rocky 3.
And then isn't there a Rocky 12 or some shit now? Or Rocky? Okay.
And Rocky Balboa was the 2006 thing, and Creed 1 and 2 came recently. Okay, 10 points to Naveen. As we move now back to the.
तो तुमने क्विज में रॉकी बाल्बोआ का नाम क्यों नहीं लिखा था?
सर वही 2006 जो ब्लैंक किया हुआ था मैंने वही था.
ओके.
2006 blank was Rocky Balboa. Okay, Naveen got the last answer, so I'm going to Nidhi now. Nidhi, okay, we can also do reverse. We can do reverse after this. Okay, which Indian-born actress? So this is thoda purana Hollywood question. Okay, which Indian-born actress got her second acting Oscar in 1951? She already had an Oscar thoda 10-12 saal pehle, and she joined her husband Laurence Olivier to become the only married couple to receive lead acting awards. So 3-4 clue hai. First clue, born in India. That's the first clue. Second, has won 2 Oscars, 2 acting Oscars. One little before 1951 and one in 1951. But once she won in 1950, so she, and also married to Laurence Olivier. Also the only married couple to have won lead acting Oscar award.
ये टफ है.
रिचर्ड्स को ये भी मालूम है. इसको मालूम, फेस छुपा के बैठा.
Who's married to Laurence Olivier, man?
हम लोग गुडविल में हम लोग बोल रहे मुंह छिपा रहा, हो सकता है वो गूगल कर रहा हो यहाँ पर. बिना हाथ वाथ हिलाए कैसे गूगल करना है?
This is my notebook. I'm writing jokes.
Yeah, born as this.
Born in India, but like not an Indian.
Okay, Audrey Hepburn.
Not Audrey Hepburn. Going to Thakur.
No idea, dude. I'm just gonna Judi Dench.
Going to Gujarat sir.
Vivian Lee.
Beautiful answer. It is Vivian Lee.
Oh wow.
Wow.
ये लकीली शायद ये पड़ा था कुछ दार्जिलिंग के आसपास कहीं पे था इनका घर.
Darjeeling.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well done, sir. Super.
Okay. 10 points to Gazar, sir. Now we'll go reverse. Okay. After 11 questions because there are total 22. So अभी उल्टा order हो जाएगा. After Gazar sir, Thakur, then Nidhi, then Naveen, then Gazar sir, Thakur, Nidhi, Naveen. So since Gazar sir got points for this, I'm going to Thakur now. थोड़ा लंबा text है, but very very workable and easy. So don't be intimidated by long text. Okay. The film X, so the movie name is X, is adapted from a book by Peter Benchley. Peter Benchley's best-selling novel of the same name. So book ka naam and movie ka naam are the same.
Okay.
Which Benchley based on a series of dash attacks. I don't need why. I've just replaced it because why will make it very obvious.
Okay.
Based on a series of attacks that occurred off the coast of New Jersey in 1916, long time back.
Okay.
And after an incident when a New York fisherman named Frank Mundus caught a 4,500-pound Y off the coast of Montauk in 1964. So basically, a lot of attacks, some sort of attacks happened way back in 1916 in New Jersey. And then one big incident happened in 1964 where a fisherman caught a 4,500-pound something. Inspired from all these events, Peter Benchley wrote a novel that became a best-selling novel. The film is an adaptation of that novel. Now let's come to other hints. Some of the other ideas that Benchley had before he decided कि नाम वो X रखेगा were these, and all these names are basically hints. The Stillness in Water, The Silence of the Deep, Leviathan Rising, and The X of Death. X is again the movie's name. So the dash of death. So
Okay.
ये सारे
Godzilla.
It's
No.
it's Jaws.
It is Jaws. 10 points to
Yes.
Thakur. It is Jaws. Jaws is based on Peter Benchley's novel, based on shark attacks by shark that happened, and someone caught a 4,500-pound shark. And The Stillness in Water, Silence of the Deep, The Jaws of Death identify the movie, and the movie is Jaws.
I just want to send my paper for re-evaluation to check Godzilla.
Okay. Now, since Thakur got it, it will be Nidhi's direct. Okay. Nidhi, X worked as a sports journalist before making it big in Indian cinema. Okay. This actor, known for his roles in Kranti, Shatranj Ke Khiladi, Ashiki, among others, was also the first person to ever interview Sachin Tendulkar on television. ID this blue-eyed boy of Bollywood. Okay, blue-eyed boy is also a hint. Who are we talking about? Then there is a photo to help you.
What is the procedure to change this? Change the order of question. Why am I getting all these? नहीं आता मुझे. I'm sorry.
0.5 to Nidhi for Munna Bhai reference. Any movie reference is highly encouraged. So X basically पहले sports journalist था, then he entered movies. Some of the famous roles are Kranti, Shatranj Ke Khiladi, Ashiki.
I mean, I know, of course, he's a great actor. Naam.
Okay, are you passing?
Yeah.
Okay, passing to Naveen Richard. Naveen.
Hum bum 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 bum. That's a song I'm composing. Thank you. And now, sports journalist. I neither watch
Sir's
cricket.
eyes are twinkling. I can see it through his glasses.
Oh yeah, he knows. I bet he knows. I'm gonna just delay it and torture him by thinking for something I don't know.
सर प्लीज गलत आंसर देना क्योंकि मेरे पास भी आंसर है.
थोड़ा पास करो. नहीं चाहिए.
थोड़ा पास करो.
थोड़ा
नहीं
पास
चाहिए.
करो.
going to Gajraj sir. Gajraj sir.
बहुत टफ है.
गंदी एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं आप.
Tom Walter sir.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, Tom Walter is correct. 10 points to Gajraj sir. Tom Walter, the famous
Shit यार.
actor.
Well done sir.
Tom Walter is correct. Gajraj sir gets 10 points.
टॉम ऑल्टर साहब का बड़ा कंफ्यूजन रहता था, तो मुझे रिसेंटली मालूम चला. पहले मुझे लगता था कि ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर के बच्चे होंगे या ऐसा कुछ. तो कल परसों में इनफैक्ट मालूम चला कि 1916 में इनके ग्रैंडफादर और ग्रैंडमदर यूएस से यहाँ आए थे. ओहियो स्टेट है वहां पर,
ओहायो, करेक्ट।
ओहायो अप स्टेट, ऐसा कुछ जगह से ईसाई मिशनरीज थे,
करेक्ट।
तो वो लोग यहाँ पर आए थे और उनको यहाँ पे मतलब जम गया, और फिर टॉम ऑल्टर शायद मतलब उसी टाइम की 50s की पैदाइश है, 40s की और 42 की शायद, और पार्टीशन हुआ तो उस समय ये लोग इधर आ गए, इनके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स वहां रह गए, और फिर ये 50s में अमेरिका पढ़ने गए और उनको वो अच्छा नहीं लगा और वो वापस आ गए, मतलब वो हिंदुस्तानियों से ज्यादा हिंदुस्तानी थे।
वाओ
वाओ वाओ, awesome. Okay. One of my favorite questions. This is slightly like framed, thoda complicated, but if you look for the right hints, you will get it. Yeah, and you will crack it. So basically, 7 wives were made by a person called X, okay, and his associates during the war. The war that we are talking about is Second World War. Okay. Out of these 7, 4 supposedly are still known to exist.
Okay.
2 are at this place called Yad Vashem in Israel. This is a Holocaust Memorial Center kind of a place. 1 is at US Holocaust Museum in Washington DC. 1 more is privately owned, and that guy also wanted to sell it on eBay but couldn't sell it. Now the movie that we are talking about refers to the first 2 wives. First 2 wives that was created in 1944, and some people call it the Wives of Life. Okay. Which movie are we talking about? So let's look at all the main hints. एक बंदा है जिसने और उसके एसोसिएटेड ने सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के टाइम 7 कुछ बनाए। मैं कुछ इसलिए नहीं बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि वो मूवी के नाम का हिस्सा है। That's why I'm not revealing what Y is, because Y is part of the movie's name. Even X is part of the movie name.
नहीं, वरुण 7 कुछ बनाया उसने।
हाँ, उसने 7 कुछ बनाया, जिसमें से 4 अभी भी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं। 2 इजराइल के एक म्यूजियम में रखे हैं, एक वॉशिंगटन के म्यूजियम में रखा है, और जिस टाइप के म्यूजियम में रखा है वो भी एक हिंट है कि होलोकॉस्ट के म्यूजियम में है वगैरह वगैरह। ठीक है। और जो मूवी है, जो फेमस मूवी की हम बात कर रहे हैं, उसमें पहले दो डैश की कहानी है। ठीक है। और मैंने एक्स और वाई दोनों इसलिए हटाया बिकॉज बोथ आर पार्ट ऑफ द मूवी नेम। So movie name has what was created and was created by who. Both are there.
Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna guess Schindler's List.
Yeah, absolutely correct. 10 points.
Come on,
yes.
Okay. Next direct to Nidhi, because Thakur got Schindler's List. Sean Penn won the best actor Oscar for portraying the life of which gay rights activist in a 2008 movie? Okay.
Milk.
Correct. Harvey Milk. Full 10
Harvey
points
Milk.
to Nidhi. 10 points to Nidhi. It is Milk. Okay. Next question.
हमारे टाइप का सवाल पूछोगे तो 10 on 10 ही मिलेगा। मेरी तरफ रॉन्ग सवाल ही आ रहे थे।
Milk is correct. Next direct to Naveen. The 2001 Indian movie Everybody Says I'm Fine, featuring Boman Irani, Koel Puri, and Pooja Bhatt, was the directorial debut of which actor? Okay, so we know him as an actor. That's a hint I'm saying. We don't know him as a director. He's an actor, but he directed a movie in 2001. That the movie's name was Everybody Says I'm Fine, featured Boman Irani, Koel Puri, Pooja Bhatt. Which actor am I talking about?
Is he handsome? I don't know.
Hey, that's subjective, Naveen. That's subjective.
handsome.
Not reacting to it. Not reacting.
Oh God.
Saif Ali Khan.
Not Saif Ali Khan.
Saif has never directed, yeah.
I would. Okay.
That's it.
Okay, Everybody Says I'm Fine.
It was a good movie, though. I remember this. Nice movie.
नहीं, pass. Sorry.
Passing to Thakur.
Rahul Bose.
Rahul Bose is correct. 10 points to Varun Thakur. Rahul Bose. This is the movie. Everybody Says I'm Fine. There's Rahul Bose here. There's Pooja Bhatt, Boman Irani. Next, direct to Nidhi. Okay, Nidhi, in the blockbuster movie X, the role that Aruna Irani played of the virgin boy Rishi Kapoor's seductive, sexually savvy friend was actually written for Rekha. Rekha didn't do the role because she found the character secondary. Later, after many years, Rekha did get a chance to be directed by Raj Kapoor in the movie Dharam Karam. Which movie are we talking about?
Rishi Kapoor and Aruna Irani.
Okay, Nidhi, do you have a guess?
रुक जा ना, इतनी जलेबी बनाई है मेरे दिमाग की. राज कपूर, उसमें ऋषि कपूर है, उसमें अरुणा ईरानी है. और See, I have 3 options.
No, give us your best option. Take 10 seconds more. Give us your best.
अरुणा ईरानी मुझे पता है सेक्सुअली याद ही नहीं है पिक्चर में. Shit. Bobby?
That is correct. 10 points to Nidhi.
That
Bobby
was a
is correct.
अरे
fluke
तुक्का नहीं लगा,
guess.
तुक्का अलाउ नहीं होना चाहिए, तुक्का श्योर आंसर आना चाहिए.
See, देखिए ऋषि कपूर और राज कपूर की मुझे लगा कितनी ही पिक्चर है. मेरा नाम जोकर नहीं, मेरा नाम जोकर में तो ऋषि कपूर comes for like blink and miss. Bobby was his proper debut, na?
That is correct. Next, direct to Naveen. Naveen, connect these actors. This is a non-exhaustive list. What do you think is common to the people that you see on screen?
Ian McKellen. So, non-exhaustive as in there are other actors that could be
Yeah.
added to this list.
Yes. There are other actors also, but I purposely not kept the other actors. I've kept 4
What
actors,
is the
non-exhaustive.
question? Like they all have the same sun sign. They're all Virgos. I don't know.
Not like that. Very movie related, proper, nice connect to these guys.
Ian McKellen, Lord of the Rings, Robert Downey Jr., Will Ferrell.
Yeah.
Shit. I'm gonna go with my favorite brand of gutka, Pass Pass.
Oh, 1 point to Naveen for that. Gajraj sir?
I want to know who is the black and white actor. I can't see very well.
मुझे भी अभी एक्चुअली याद नहीं आ रहा. मैंने पहले नाम डाला था because I assumed that it's very workable. बाकी
He's
लोग
looking a little bit like Shami Kapoor if you guys see properly. I was just like, Shami Kapoor तो है बस.
Okay, Gajraj sir?
इन सब ने मार्वल कॉमिक के फिल्म में काम किया है या शेक्सपियर की फिल्म में काम किया है, ऐसा कुछ?
नहीं सर.
Okay, out.
But ट्रैक अच्छा है. वरुण ठाकुर?
They've all played Sherlock Holmes in some way or form.
Absolutely correct. 10 points to Thakur. They've all played Sherlock Holmes.
Very good.
They've
ठाकुर,
all
इसका
played
प्रीमियर
Sherlock
का
Holmes.
बताओ.
They've all played Sherlock Holmes. This is Thakur's direct. How do you connect these 6 actors that you see on screen? Okay, again, like I said, you have to think of something specific. It can't be a generic thing.
Oh, it's
Something very-
Spotlight.
Beautiful answer. 10 points to Thakur.
Hey,
answer is Spotlight.
well
Yeah.
done.
Nice.
This is
Very
the Spotlight
अबे,
song.
नहीं समझा, मेरे को नहीं चमका.
ठाकुर आप समझाओ जरा गजराज सर को.
सर ये सारे एक्टर्स ने एक मूवी इकट्ठे की है, स्पॉटलाइट, जो बेस्ट फिल्म ऑस्कर जीती थी कुछ साल पहले. सो लिएव श्राइबर, हाँ लिएव श्राइबर, उसका नाम क्या है, मार्क रफेलो, रेचल मैकएडम्स, ये सारे उसमें.
Okay, Nidhi, there are 14 actors who have starred in both Dash, which is a movie series, and Dash, which is a TV series. Identify both. Like what movie series and TV series have all these 14 actors starred in? There are these 14 actors. These are both very well-known, like well-known movie series and well-known TV series. Natalie Tena, David Bradley, Michelle Fairley, Ian White, Jim Broadbent, Julian Glover, Kyron Hines, Freddie Stroma, Ralph Ineson, Bronson Webb, Sally Montemore, Daniel Tweet, Nicholas Blaine, Edward Tudor Pope. Even if you can't figure of all the names, I mean, I'm suggesting that you can still take an educated guess and maybe crack this, because these two are very similar casting exercise. I can't. These are both very famous. One is a famous movie series, one is a famous TV series.
The only one I can think of is Bold and Beautiful.
Okay, and do you have a guess for movie?
The movie series. It's a movie series. Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings and Bold and Beautiful. No, passing to Naveen.
I mean, I don't know, man. I'm gonna just say James Bond, Doctor Who, Harry Potter.
James Bond and Doctor Who.
Yeah.
What? You give me one movie series and one TV series? No.
Yeah, no.
What is-
James Bond, Doctor Who. Take it. I don't believe in either of them, but go for it.
But what is your final answer? Your movie series is Dash. Which is your movie series?
Movie series is Doctor Who.
Movie series is Doctor
No,
Who.
show
Okay.
series is Doctor Who. Movie
Yeah.
series is who? Who?
Okay, no. Going to Gujarat, sir.
No, I'm asking who, dude. Nah, I'm saying Doctor Who.
Harry Potter and
Hmm.
Lord of the अभी आया था Game of Thrones.
Perfect answer. Full 10
Wow.
points to Gujarat, sir.
Wow.
Harry Potter and
Now-
Game of Thrones.
Wow.
Superb.
Seriously.
Okay,
क्या
okay.
बात है,
Very
Razak?
well done.
Okay, which brings us to the end of the quiz. I will make a few announcements like who qualifies, when do you have to come back again, and all that. But before all that, thank you so much for doing this. I know.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I
बहुत
know
मजा
this
आया.
time-
Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah.
Yeah, and
Thank you,
my
guys.
God, you should get an award for the questions. Forget the game.
Thank you.
Such
Thank
good questions.
Thank you. Gujarat sir has 42.5. Naveen has 30 plus 3. So Naveen has 33. Naveen has 33 while Thakur is on 82.5.
Wow.
Thakur is on
Wow.
82.5. And Nidhi gave 2. So Nidhi is 20 plus
Nidhi
1.5. So
zero.
Nidhi is on 21.5. Nidhi got milk. And she also got Bobby, sexually savvy Aruna Irani, which means people who are watching, this basically means in the tournament, Varun Thakur qualifies from this round, and so does Gujarat Rao sir. First semi-final, okay, which has Shantanu Anam, which has Smritika Panigrahi, Vishwas Sharma, and Gajraj Rao. So these are the 4 semi-finalists. The other semi-finalists, Ehsas Channa, Kenny Sebastian, Rohan Joshi, and Varun Thakur. So that
So people
I-
who have lost, can they come and watch for free?
yeah, of course,
That much, yeah.
of course. One of the
Participation certificate.
yeah, for sure. You'll all be sent a ticket, and you can all come and watch. This is a very clear. Like the first semi-final is full of like writers, directors, and like
And my
legendary
joke is being
actors.
appreciated. Give me 1 point.
Yes.
Thanks,
And the semi-final 2 is mostly 3 stand-up comedians and 1 actor. So nice
One actor.
nice divide.
Good. Nice.
And then we'll have 2 people from each qualify for finals. This was a wonderful quiz. And to be honest,
Superb.
I'm not saying just to pander.
It is an honor to lose
Okay.
to you, sir. It is an honor.
मैं मर जाऊं.
If there was a best speech award, it would go to Naveen.
KB,
Peter.
thank you so much. This was a lot of fun.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you, man.
Thanks.
And
Thanks,
thank you,
guys.
everybody
Naveen.
else.
Thank you, Nidhi.
Yeah.
Thank you, Naveen.
Fun
Bye,
meeting
Naveen.
you all.
Bye,
Take
bye,
care.
Nidhi. Nice to
Good
meet you.
night.
Bye,
Bye.
Nidhi.
Bye. Nice to meet
Bye,
Bye,
you all.
Gajraj, sir.
Gajraj.